Hi guys, maayong gabi sa tanan. Kumusta namong tanan? Oy, I'm here trying to open this Temu deliveries that I have here on the table. Welcome back to my channel. It's Joy again. Maayong hapon, maayong gabi na. Dugay na ko wala nakahimo og video pero karon nagkapanahon si Lola. Ang akong buhaton pag-open ko sa akong mga deliveries from Temu. Dugay na ko wala nakahimo og video kay busy kaayo ang inyong lola. Na ako'y nadawat nga deliveries gikan sa Temu. Ato ni siyang i-open para makabaluta og unsa to akong na-order kay nakalimot na ko. Pila na ni kasimana tungod sa kabisi sa kasal sa akong anak, nag Women of Joy. So karon magka-time si Lola na i-open ang akong delivery. Actually, kaning Temu, ang akong anak, youngest nga si Carl Michael or si James Michael, naa sa Texas, nag-send sa ako og link nga ingon, Mang, i-open ng link ako ipadala nimo Mang para makadawat ko og gift. Kung unsa man ang gift na, basta Mang, order ka, makadawat ko og gift. Kabalo na, kining mama. Basta moingon na ang anak nga, naa siya madawat, sige. So, nakalimot ko kung sa to akong gi-order. Karon atong ukban, atong i-open. Sa mga Bisaya diha, maoray makasabot. Sa mga Tagalog, buksan natin ang ating Temu deliveries. Samahan niyo ako na i-open ang Temu deliveries. Like what I said, I forgot what I ordered in Temu. I don't know. What is this? This is the second one. And here's the third one here. It's kinda big. But I guess I will just open the smallest one. Here you go. Let's see. Did not say anything on here. I don't know. Apple. Oh my gosh. This is I don't know what is that. It's like a drone. Yep, it's a drone. We'll open that later. This one is a power bank. Okay, let's open the second one. Like what I said, I forgot what did I order, but this is tripod. Okay, a tripod. There's one more here. What is this? Another selfie tripod. Oh my gosh, I ordered the same thing, I guess. But it's okay. That's it for this bag. And this one is, let's see the big one. It's a car vacuum cleaner. What is this? I don't know. Maybe it's part of the car vacuum cleaner. I guess it's a swing. Oh yeah. another video for that, how to open the... There's more. What is this? An earphone. Oh my gosh. I ordered too much that I forgot what I ordered. What is this? I don't know. Let me see. Letter. Electric toothbrush. Oral. Wow. What is this? Portable mini printer. I don't know what is this. Kitchen utensils. Oh wow. Look at that. A wooden spatula. Wow. I like this. Woohoo. Nice. Wow, I like this. I forgot completely. Wow. I like this, guys. It's really nice. Yes. Okay. I'll open it later. Thank you for watching. Bye.